The exclusive PVD M40 milling grade, PC9540 for stainless steel machining. PC9540 provides better tooling solution in stainless steel machining. PC9540 is a high-toughness PVD grade for hard-to-cut material machining, achieving higher productivity than conventional grades. PC9540 for M40 milling grade has a high-toughness substrate for preventing chipping and fracture, and provides long tool life in stainless steel, medium to roughing, and high interrupted milling. In addition, its new PVD dioxide film coating with oxidation resistance and heat resistance overcomes the many limitations of hard-to-cut material machining and realizes stable machining due to our surface treatment with lubrication. PC9540 ensures more stable and general uses in stainless steel interrupted cutting than conventional grade. PC9540 realizes good machinability in roughing with high depth of cut and high interrupted machining. PC9540 is applied for general stainless steel, such as STS300 and STS400, and hard-to-cut stainless steel, such as STS600 and duplex. The combination of PC9540 and various tools provides more perfect solutions for stainless steel machining. Its machining stability ensures short cycle time and longer tool life in roughing of turbocharger turbine housing. The combination of PC9540 and other tools for facing, shouldering, high feed machining is available for various kinds of machining. There are chip breakers, MM and MF for optimal performance in various cutting conditions. The exclusive PVD M40 milling grade for stainless steel machining, PC9540.